Welcome to my channel. This is research methodology and scientific report writing step-by-step tutorial. In this lesson we see research design. Under this, meaning of research design, definition of research design, components of research design, and importance of research design. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define research design and explain its meaning in scientific research. Also, you will be able to describe the major elements and characteristics of research design. Also explain importance of research design in ensuring the valid and reliable research finding. And finally, you're able to discuss the purpose of research design and its role in achieving research objectives. As we said before, research is a systematic process of generating new knowledge or solving existing problems through scientific investigation. However, successful research does not occur by chance. It requires careful planning and organization before data collection begins. This planning framework is known as research design. Research design serves as the blueprint or master plan that guides every stage of research process. It specifies what data will be collected, from whom, how the data will be collected, how they will be analyzed, and how the finding will answer the research questions or test the hypothesis. So it is a blueprint or master plan. A well-developed research design ensures that the study is conducted systematically, efficiently, ethically, and significantly. Without a proper research design, researcher may collect inappropriate data, waste resource, produce unreliable findings, or fail to answer the research problem effectively. Different scholars have defined research design in various ways. According to Kerlinger, defines research design as it is a plan, structure, and strategy of investigation conceived to obtain answers to research questions and control variance. Or according to Creswell, a specific procedure, a research design is a specific procedure involved in the research process, including data collection, analysis, and interpretation. Or another's defined research design as the arrangement of conditions for collecting and analyzing data in a manner that combines relevance to the research purpose with economy in procedure. Or it is the general plan of how the researcher will answer the research question. It is a plan. So, in the above definitions, we can understand the research design as it's a comprehensive plan that determines how a research will be conducted from beginning to end. A research design is the overall framework that guides a researcher in conducting a study systematically. It links the research objective, research questions, sampling method, data collection techniques, measurement procedures, and data analysis methods into one coherent plan. It answers several important questions before the study begins. For example, what problem will be investigated? Why is the study being conducted? Who will be participate? And where will the study be conducted? So, This research design answers these all questions before beginning the study. What type of data will be collected? Also, how will data be collected? Which research method will be used? How will the collected data be analyzed? And how will the validity and the reliability of finding will be ensured? Thus, a research design serves as a roadmap that directs every activity throughout the research process. It is a roadmap that directs every activity throughout research process. There are some components of research design. A complete research design commonly includes the following components. 1. Research problem. The specific issue or question that the researcher intends to investigate is component of research design. A research objective, a statement describing what the study intends to accomplish, or also research questions or hypotheses. These guide data collection and analysis. And the study population also, the entire group from which information will be obtained or gathered. And also sampling design, the procedure used to select participants for a study unit or for study. And data collection methods, how to collect data. The techniques used to gather information is ask questionnaire, interview, observation, experiment, laboratory measurement, or document analysis. Also variables are also the component of research design. A measurement or measurable characteristics investigated during the study. For example, independent variable, dependent variable, control variables, and other variables. And also data analysis plan, how to analyze the statistical or qualitative methods that will be used to analyze collected data. How to analyze. Ethical considerations also. Procedures that ensure ethical standards throughout a research process. These all are components of research design. A research design is important for different reasons. Research design plays a fundamental role in scientific investigation because it provides a clear direction for the study. It ensures systematic organization of research activities, reduces research error, saves time, money, and effort, improves the quality of data collected, enhances validity and reliability of finding, facilitates accurate interpretation of results, enables replication of the study by another researcher. Also, it increases confidence in research conclusions and supports evidence-based decision making. This is all about importance of research design. Thank you for watching. If you are new for this channel, please hit subscribe. Thank you.